Hello, my name is Vandana Saroj and right now I am in a fully developed location. So this place is Sushant Lok 1, Sector 28A block. So this place is fully developed. You are going to see everything here and there. So अगर मैं लोकेशन की एक ब्रॉड वे में बात करूँ तो फ्रॉम हेयर इफ्को चौक मेट्रो स्टेशन विल टेक जस्ट 5 minutes of time. So distance wise it is approx 250 meters away and Galleria market is 400 meters away. So that is going to take hardly 6 to 7 minutes of time. So this place Sushant Lok 1 is having each and everything in terms of all major hospitals, shopping complexes, DLF Cyber City, which will take just 10 minutes of time from here. Nearby metro station and road connectivity with complete Gurgaon and proximity to premium roads of Gurgaon, Golf Course Road and MG Road. So this was all about the location of this project. Name is Silver Glades High Town Residency. This is a luxury project which I am going to cover today. Now it's time to understand the background of Silver Glades. This company started in 1995. They have also completed few projects with ITC. And if I talk about the total number of projects, then till date they have completed 11 projects. So yes, they have a strong background of delivering luxury residential projects. If I talk about this particular project, this is a luxury high-rise residential project. This project got launched in 2021. They have launched 2 phases of this particular project till date. And if I talk about the project size, then this is 3.5 acres. They have 3 premium towers. One tower is of 4 BHK only and the other 2 towers have 3 BHK size. And the total number of apartments here is 260 apartments. And these 3 towers are with a tower height of G+27. Now, before understanding the sizes of these luxury apartments, let's talk about the clubhouse also, because this is a luxury project. They have a clubhouse of approx 20,000 square feet size. And this clubhouse is going to come with all-weather, temperature-controlled pool, kids pool, mini theatre, squash court, virtual golf, medical assistance room, banquet hall, kids play area and gym. So yes, within the project you are going to get all luxury clubhouse amenities. If I explain these 3 towers, then that is the tower which is with 4 BHK and on the ground floor of that 4 BHK tower is the clubhouse of approx 20,000 square feet. And this is the main entrance of the project, and this complete area of the project is going to be vehicle free because the vehicle is going to enter into basement from the initial point of this project entrance. Now it's time to talk about the sizes this particular project have. First, there is 3 BHK and the super area of 3 BHK starts with 2150 square feet and the second size is 2500 square feet and both the sizes comes with a servant room. Second apartment is of 4 BHK and there is one standalone tower of 4 BHK here and the size of 4 BHK apartment is approx 3300 square feet. It again comes with one family lounge, powder room and servant room. Now if I highlight few points of this particular project, then first is Sushant Lok 1 A block sector 28. This is most premium location which has everything around. Second, there are only 3 towers. Apart from this, there is My One construction and the kitchen is going to be modular kitchen with storage, chimney, hob. And if I talk about the washrooms, there is going to be fully finished washroom. Yes, wardrobe will not be part of the apartment. Now, if you want to know any other detail about this particular project, then I am there to assist you. Or if you want to see the final look, then you need to book your visit with us. And finally, it's time to talk about the price and the possession time also. Here, the price starts from approx 5 CR. And you will get the possession by April 2026. And finally, if I talk about the main highlight of this project, then that is the floor to ceiling height, which is 11.5 feet. So yes, that is going to give you a luxury feel. So these were the complete details of Silver Glades Hightown Residency from Sector 28, Sushant Lok 1A block, a premium location. And now it's your turn. If you want to know anything else about this particular project or want to understand it more, then you can book your visit with us. And if you are an NRI and looking for any detail, I am there to assist you. Now it's time to say goodbye to Silver Glades Hightown Residency, and let's meet in next video with a new location and new project. Many more things. The Central Lagoon is the additional beauty of this project apart from jacaranda trees and premium location. This Central Lagoon is the place where you can put your feet in the water and relax. After looking at their luxurious clubhouse, it's time to talk about the sizes in the Legacy. कुछ मंथ्स पहले की बात करें तो गुड़गांव में आपको जो इन जनरल साइजेस देखने को मिलते थे वो स्टार्ट होते थे अप्रॉक्स 1400 square feet, 1800 square feet and 2500 square feet, somewhere similar. सो आज के टाइम में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मोस्टली जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो लार्जर साइज़ के साथ आते हैं. तो जैसे सिल्वर ग्लेड्स की बात करूँ तो यहाँ पर जो साइज़ ही स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है अप्रॉक्स 2800 स्क्वायर फीट से. और इसका एक रीज़न भी है कि पहले के टाइम में जो जनरली लोग थे वो सिर्फ अंदर के एरिया, जो इंटरनल एरिया था, उसी को प्रेफरेंस देते थे. लेकिन जैसे कोविड आया है, कोविड के बाद भी लोगों ने अपनी वेलनेस को, हेल्थ को थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटाइज़ करना शुरू किया है और जो बालकनी का स्पेस है या एक प्रॉपर डेक, उसको वो प्रेफरेंस देते हैं. तो इन दिस वे बालकनी का अगर आप साइज़ बड़ा करते हैं, बिकॉज वो भी आपके सुपर एरिया का ही पार्ट होता है, तो जो अंदर का साइज़ है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न कि बालकनी जो हो आपके अपार्टमेंट की वो भी स्पेसियस हो, ओपन हो, और जो आपका इंटरनल कारपेट एरिया है वो भी आपको अच्छा मिले. सो इसी वजह से जो टोटल साइजेस हैं अपार्टमेंट्स के आज के टाइम में गुड़गांव में वो आपको लार्जर साइजेस ही देखने को मिलते हैं. तो मोस्टली प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो आज के टाइम में साइजेस आते हैं वो अप्रॉक्स 2000 स्क्वायर फीट से स्टार्ट होते हैं. सो लार्जर साइजेस लाइक 2500, 3500, इवन 4500 काइंड ऑफ साइजेस आपको मोस्टली लग्जूरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखने को मिलेंगे.